ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तम् समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा नमो ज्ञानेश्वरा। निवृत्ती उदारा सोपान देवा मुक्ताबाई नमो त्रिभुवन पावनी आद्यत्रय जननी देवांची। Third chapter, Karma Yoga, we have been studying. Bhagavan said, I am doing karma, though I don't have to attain anything in this world. I have already attained. I need not attain anything. Still, I am doing everything, all actions. So, all people also should do their actions. If I don't do action, if God doesn't do action, then people also will follow him. They will be also actionless, goalless in their life. Therefore, we must do action. Then Bhagwan gave very strong words that if you have faith in me, you listen to me, you don't find faults in me, then you will be doing karma, but you you will not be affected by those karma. And Bhagwan says that if you have fault finding nature in me, if you don't have faith in me, then you will ruin yourself. Then after that, Shankaracharya gives Avatarnika that, okay, then why don't people listen to Bhagwan? Because Bhagwan said, if you listen to me, you will be free from all the actions, though you will be doing actions. Then why don't people listen to Bhagwan? This was the Avatarnika for this shloka. Then Bhagwan gives another answer that everyone behaves in this world depending upon their nature, their swabhava. Bhagwan says that. Beautiful shloka, very important shloka. Sadrusham cheshtate swasyaha प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेः ज्ञानवान् अपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति अन्वय. Bhagwan says, what to talk about people, even Jnani Mahatmas, they act as per their nature, their gunas in them. So it's very difficult to, control someone by words. Why don't we also listen to Bhagwan's words? Because we have our own nature, our our own thinking that doesn't allow us to listen to Bhagwan. That is how the shloka means. Jnanavan api, jnani person also. Swasyaha prakrutehe, one's own natures. Sadrusham cheshtate. Cheshtate acts. Sadrusham similar or in accordance with his own nature. Bhutani prakrutim yanti. And this body, this being, you can say, is made up of 5 elements. and three gunas are there. So those elements also ultimately will mix into their original sources. And nigraha kim karishyati, how can we control ourselves? Repression, how can it be accomplished? So it is very difficult task that someone listens to someone's word, because we have to go against our tendencies. That is how it is. So Bhagavan says it's very difficult. That is why people, they know my words, but they do what their Prakruti says. It's very difficult. Manoni indriye eke janate ni purukhe लाळाविना kautuke adi karoni. म्हणोनी इंद्रिये एके जाणते नि पुरुखे लाळाविना कौतुके आदि करोणी. Therefore, जाणते नि पुरुखे, a realized person. इंद्रिये एके कौतुके लाळाविना आदि करोणी. A realized person should not entertain, should not pander sense organs, because sense organs also, they have their whims and fancies. Like they have their own tendencies. If you give little bit space to them, little bit room to, or little bit liberty, they will take you on, right? Therefore mhanoni indriye kautuke, even in even in just like that also, we should not lala, we should not pander, pamper them. So it's very difficult. Kautuke, just fun also. By fun also, you should not pamper them. Now, wonderful examples Bhagavan gives. He's talking about sense organ. The sense organ, they have their tendencies. No matter who you are, they will drag you. It is said that vidvamsam apikarashati. The sense organs, they can pull, drag even jnani person. So how difficult it is and why we should not fiddle with our sense organs, Bhagavan says that. Haga sarposi khelo yeila ki vyagra samsarga siddhi zaila sange hala hala jirel sevilya kai. Haga sarposi khelo yeila की व्याघ्र संसर्ग सिद्धी जाईल सांगे हळाहळ हळाहळ जिरेल सेविलिया काही. How difficult sense organs are. We should not pamper, pander them. Example is given. Sarposi khelo येईल. Can we play with snake? Unless the fins are removed, we can't play with snake. No, 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 but I am very brave. I know how to handle snake. I will play. If you haven't, removed the teeth of that snake, you will be in trouble. So, sarposi khelo yeila? No. Like that, we should not play with our sense organ. We should not give them liberty. Ka vyagra samsarga siddhi zaila. Okay, you are very brave. You decided to reside with tiger. Okay, one day, 2 day, when the tiger is not hungry, you can be with him. But the day tiger is hungry, the tiger will pounce upon you. Like that, 1 day, 2 day, we feel my sense organ are in under control. One day, when they are hungry, they will pounce on your knowledge. So we should not give room to them. Sange hala hal jirel sevilya kai. Lord Shiva has drunken this poison, venom. I am also, with Lord Shiva's name, I am going to digest that poison. Sevilya kai hala hal jirel, because it is halahal vish, very, very poisonous. Even entire universe can, doom. That poisonous it is, and you are saying, I will drink it. Only Lord Shiva can drink it. Only great, great Santa Mahatmas, they can control their sense organ. We can't. Like that, Bhagavan says, no, we can't drink halahal wish. Like that, no, we can't pander our sense organs. Aneshwar Maharaj says there is fire and you are playing with that fire. But if that fire, you know, catches something which is flammable, then it is wonderful, you not wonderful, it is worse to see. For example, you have farm of wheat, wheat, and you are playing with fire, and somehow that fire catches that farm. Entire farm will turn into ashes. Or there is a heap of cotton, and somehow it comes in contact with cotton, the fire, and cotton lights up like blazes only. Like that, Naneshwar Maharaj says, Dekhe khelata agni lagala, magato nasavare jaisa udhavala, taisa indriya lala dila, bhala no he. Wow. This is love of Naneshwar Maharaj for us. Dekhe khelata agni lagala, magato nasavare jaisa udhavala, तैसा इंद्रिया लड़ा दिधला भला नो हे देखे सी खेळता simply agni lagala, simply you are playing with him and the fire got kindled. Magato na savare, then it is not been controlled by anyone. Jaisa udhavala, and then fire will, you know grow very fast. तैसा इंद्रिया लड़ा दिधला भला no hey, like that, pandering sense organs, giving them little bit freedom, bhala no hey, it's not good for you. Just like agni in play, it just catches the flammables thing. Like that, then it is uncontrolled. Like that, you think you have control on sense organ, and you go after few things, then that few things become addiction. That addiction eats you up. Like that, these sense organs are very, very powerful. We should not feed them, we should not listen to them, they should not control us, we must control them. Wow. Ervi tari Arjuna या शरीरा पराधीना का नाना भोग रचना मेळवावी. एरवी तरी अर्जुना या शरीरा पराधीना का नाना भोग रचना मेळवावी. Naneshwar Maharaj says why we should feed this body, why we should give different bhoga, enjoyments, pleasures to this body. This is his question. नाना भोग रचना का मेळवावी? Why should we give different pleasures to this body? Because paradhina, this body is not in our control. Dehatava kalache, this body belongs to death. And every now and then death is happening. So Naneshwar Maharaj says, he's talking about sense organ, now he comes to body. Erivitare Arjuna, if you see Arjuna closely, ya sharira paradhina, this body is paradhina, dependent. Why should we give many bhogas to this? Or entire life, why we should work for pleasures? And that too, this body is not ours. So we should not entertain, pamper, pander our sense organ. At the same time, we should not be giving pleasures to this body because it is paradhina. Naneshwar Maharaj says, we work hard day and night. We earn money. Okay. Do we earn, or our hard works are only to foster, nurture this body? Should we go beyond this body or not? So he said body is paradhina. Then he is telling, should we go beyond this body or not? Or should we keep on fostering, nurturing this body? He says, आपण सायासे करोणी बहुते सकळ ही समृद्धी जाते उदो असतो या देहाते प्रतिपाळावे का आपण सायासे करोणी बहुते सकळ ही समृद्धी जाते उदो असतो या देहाते प्रतिपाळावे का आपण वी ऑल सायासे करुणी बहुते बहुते सायासी करुणी वी ऑल आफ्टर पुटिंग forth बहुते सायासी too much of hard work we earn we become prosperous सकळ ही समृद्धी जाते we get prosperity we get money having got that उदो असतो या देहाते प्रतिपाळावे का should we pamper nurture this body day and night which is independent which is dependent. So after all doing all hard work, what do? We foster our body. And that body is the food of death. That body is adhina dependent. If prarabdha is not there, this body will fall off. So he says, no, we should not do this. In short, we should not pamper sense organ. We should not be worried about our body. We should go beyond body. That is, there is mind, there is something called intellect, there is something called Atma Tattva. He says, should we give up our dharma also? One thing, when we look after this body day and night, then we overlook something. That Naneshwar Maharaj highlights now. Why we should not be, obsessed with our body. If you are obsessed with your body, you are going to give up good actions. Your dharma you are going to give up because this body needs attention. Every part of this body needs attention. Hair, oh my God. Hair, the worst part of our body is our hair. Different actions and coloring them and setting them and cutting them, shaping them. Day and night you can be worried about your hair. 20, 20, 30, 30,000 you will just waste on your hair. Few people say, we earn that much. You earn, but your full attention is in your hair only, not in hair. Then come face. Face, oh my God, this pack, that pack, scrub, orange, then tan remover, there is no end. There is no end. Your full attention will be on that. Then six pack. So you want six pack, six abs. Oh my God. This crunches, these many setups. Full attention day and night only for body. Then when you will do puja, when will you read Dhaneshwari? When will you go to temple? Dharma is gone. Okay, the simple thing, nails. You grow them, you shape them, then different nail polish. Oh my God, full attention. This body is not that easy. It can take your entire life. People nowadays, if their chicks are, little bit aged, they take injections here. Oh my God. And the worst part is to look fair. People die to look fair and whatnot they do. So, Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, this is never ending. This body is never ending. So, if you keep on working for that, which is the food of death, which is not in your control, you will waste your entire life. Entire money will be wasted on that, time will be wasted on that. So does that mean you should not become fit? You should be fit. 1 hour, half an hour for body, but day and night thinking about hair and my color and my beard and my appearance and six abs and my thighs and my calves. There is no end for that. सर्वस्वे शिनोणी येथे अर्जवावी संपत्ती जाते तेने स्वधर्म सांडूनी देहाते पोखावे काई सर्वस्वे शिणोणी येथे अर्जवावी संपत्ती जाते तेने स्वधर्म सांडूनी देहाते पोखावे काही. Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Sarvasve Shinoni. When you have to earn money, you have to literally go through lot of hardships, and there will be fatigue, pain, everything you have to bear. So Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Sarvasve Shinoni Ethi. Mind, body, intellect, everything is tired. And Arjavavi Sampatti Jate, and you get money. So you got money after sweat and blood. Tene Sadharma Sandone Dehate Pokave Kahi. Once you get money, should you give up all your dharma and you should be looking after this body? You will be nurturing this body, fostering this body? Like that, Dhaneshwar Maharaj asks questions. Dhaneshwar Maharaj say, don't do all these things. This body is made up of 5 elements, and those 5 elements will go back to their 5 elements. And whatever you have done in order to nurture this body, in order to shape this body, that will disintegrate in 5 elements. Then whom will you ask? For example, if a father is there, that father did a lot for that child. Okay, father did a lot. Then one day father can ask, I did this for you. Why are you not studying? So father can ask a child. The sense organs, they are doing everything for this body, and this body is going to disintegrate in Pancha Mahabhuta. Then whom will you ask whatever you have done for this body? There is no one to ask, because it came from Pancha Mahabhuta, it will go back to Pancha Mahabhuta. मग हे तव पाच मिळावा, शेखी अनुसरेल पंचत्वा, ते वेळी केला के गिवसावा, शिणू आपुला. मग हे तव पाच मिळावा, शेखी अनुसरेल पंचत्वा, ते वेळी केला के गिवसावा, शिणू आपुला. मग ते पाच मेळावा. This body is integration of 5 elements, and shaky at the time of death. Panchatva anusarela. This body will go back to ashes, will go back to 5 elements. Te veli, at that time, kela shinu apula ke givsava. Whatever you have done for this body, whom will you ask? Can you ask that I did this much for you, oh my body? Why are you not with me now? We can't ask that. So we should not day and night work for this body. Yes, there should be exercise, yoga, running, jogging. Yeah. For bare minimum, you should be uh, taking care of your body, not, being obsessed with your body. Naneshwar Maharaj says, only fostering body, feeding this body is utterly useless thing. And Arjuna, if you want to do good of yours in your life, you should not pay attention to this body. Much attention, undue attention to this body. म्हणोनी केवळ देह भरण, ते जाणे उघडी नागवण, या लागी येत अंतःकरण, देयावेना. म्हणोनी केवळ देह भरण, ते जाणे उघडी नागवण, या लागी येत अंतःकरण, देयावेना. म्हणून therefore means this body is food of death. This body is not in your control, and this body is going to disintegrate in its own element. Therefore म्हणून केवळ देहाभरण, only looking after body, ते जाणे उघडी नागवन. This is a disaster for a person who is inside the body. Keval word is used very precisely. He did not say Manoni Deha Bharana. He says Keval Deha Bharana, only living for our body. Tezane Ugadi Nagavana, that is utterly open disaster and foolishness. Therefore, yalagi ethantakarana deyavena. Therefore, you should not heed towards your sense organs and your body. Yalagi ethantakarana. Therefore, your thoughts should not be obsessed with your body. You should take care, but only taking care of body, untenable. Untenable. Now Bhagavan says each sense organ has sense object, and that sense object can kill a person. Therefore, we should not, under the spell of our sense organs, because they have trapped. We'll see how they are. Let us read the shloka. Indriyasendriyasyarthe रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्नवशमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्नवशमागच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ. विग्रह. इंद्रियस्य इंद्रियस्य अर्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोः न वशमागच्छेत् तौ हि अस्य परिपन्थिनौ. तौ हि अस्य परिपन्थिनौ. अन्वय. इंद्रियस्य अर्थे, sense, artha means objects, arthe in sense objects, of sense. So in sense object, indriyasya of sense organs, raga dvesha vyavasito, likes and dislikes are there. Raga, likes, dvesha, dislikes are there. So he says tayoho vasham na agachet. We should not be under the control of raga dvesha and our sense organs. We should not be under control. Why? Te tau asya paripantino. This raga dvesha, they are, enemy on this path. Raga dvesha, they are enemy on this path. So we should not entertain them. This likes and dislikes, they are enemy. Now let's move further. Very simple shloka. Shloka says that sense organs are trapped by sense objects. They have strong likes and dislikes. Those likes and dislikes, they are not good for a person. They are killer enemies in this journey. Erevi indriyanchya artha sarika vishaya pokhita संतोषु की रचिता आपजेल. ए रवि इंद्रियांचिया अर्था सारिका विषयो पोखिता संतोषु का की रचिता आपजेल. ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज says, ए रवि इंद्रियांचिया अर्था, इंद्रियांचिया अर्था, so sense objects. Sarika Vishayo Pokita, sense objects are always given to sense organs. So always by feeding our sense organs, Santosho Kira Chitta Apajela, will there be satisfaction or gratification of mind? It is said that. So whatever your sense organs are asking, you are giving them. At any point in your life, will you be satisfied? That is the question. न जातु काम कामानाम उपभोगे न शाम्यते. Wow, Yayati Raja story. So he gave up, he took his son's youth and enjoyed the world, but still he was not satiated, not satisfied. Then he said, it's not possible to satiate, satisfied our sense organ. It is like putting wood in the fire. So fire won't, put off. Fire will be blazing on and on and on, because we are putting woods like that. If you are feeding your sense organs, sense organ won't, one day the youth will go away, but sense organ and their test for that sense objects will remain as it is. So Ganeshwar Maharaj says, Indriyanchya artha sarika vishaya. So as your sense organ says, if you feed them, it won't give you joy longer. Can you give us any example? And Maharaj says, wonderful example I have. A thief in disguise. It is called Savachora in Sanskrit or Marathi. परितो समचोराचा सांगा तू, जैसा नावेक स्वस्थू, जव नगराचा प्रांतू सांडिजेना. आय लव्ह दिस एक्झाम्पल. परितो सवचोराचा सांगा तू, जैसा नावेक स्वस्थू, जव नगराचा प्रांतू सांडिजेना. Now you see, Bhagavan is talking about sense objects and sense organ, their longevity, how long they can give you happiness. Beautiful topic. He gives example of a thief in disguise. Parito savatoracha sangatu. Feeding sense object to sense organ and getting happiness is like a thief in disguise. So first of all, understand the thief. Of you are traveling from one village to another village, and meanwhile or in between two villages there is forest. So you have to cross that forest, and it's little bit dense forest. Very less people are there. So there is one person, very good person in white color cloth. He's standing, and when you enter in that on the entrance of that forest, he speaks you very sweet word. From where have you come? Where would you like to go? I am also going there. Uh, would you like to join me? Or I would like to join you. Can we go together? And they start going together. They walk a little bit far. He come like 200, 300 meter inside. Then he opens up his chopper, like chaku, knife, and he puts on his throat. Give me whatever you have. So initially that thief who was in disguise was very good, very sweet to that person. But after some time it become bitter. It is like taking your life away. In the same way, sense organs, initial sense objects, they are initially very, very nice to our sense organs. But after sometimes they start giving diseases. Bhoge roga bhayam. So therefore, we should not entertain them. Parito samsauracha sangato. It is like that thief. Jaisa navek swasth. Initially it is good. Javanagaracha prantu sandijana. Unless you know, leave that city or village, come into forest, till that point, that person will be swasthu, very good to you, but not for long time. Like that, sense organ, sense object, their relationship is. Like that, the nature of sense objects are. बापा विषाची मधुरता, आवडी उपजे चित्ता, परितो परिणाम विचारिता, प्राणुहरी. बापा विषाची मधुरता, आवडी उपजे चित्ता, परितो परिणाम विचारता, प्राणुहरी. Dhaneshwar Maharaj gives another example of, you can say, tobacco. Tobacco or a smoking, you can say. It is poison only. Okay. So, uh, you start smoking or you start eating tobacco, and you like it. When you stand and you know, the inhale, exhale, you feel very nice, and people also watch you. This is how the trend is now. Bapa Vishachi Madhurata, though it is sweet, you feel, people, they say they kick and all and so many things. It's very nice. That is why people keep in their mouth. Shanti Brahma Maruti Maharaj Kurekar used to say, this tobacco has got maximum, the highest privilege. Nothing can stay here in our mouth for more than 1 minute. But this will stay for 3, 4, 5, 10 minutes also. So it is sweet. That is why we are keeping here, or that is why we are smoking. Because we love it, we like it. He says, Vishachi Madhurata Bapa. Good. Avadi upaze chitta. Zhane is here. Zhane avadi upaze chitta. So this is very sweet, like very adoring that you do addictions. But zhani avade upaze chitta, and you should not have love towards these things which are going to harm your body. We read that tobacco will cause cancer, cigarettes will smoking will cause cancer. We read that also, but avadi upaje, we love that. But Bhagavan says, Zhane avadi upaje chitta, you should not have love towards them. Why? Parito vicharo, paripto parinama vicharita pranuhari. If you think about the result of these addictions, there is pranuhari, death only. So initially when you do it, you feel fun and nice and modern. The result when comes, that time you are gone. Like that, the sense objects initially very nice, then later very difficult. देखे इंद्रिय काम असे तो लावी सुख दुराशे जैसा गणी मीनु अमिषे भुलविजे देखे इंद्रिय काम असे तो लावी सुख दुराशे जैसा गणी मीनु अमिषे भुलविजे. Beautiful example. There is one hook. In that hook there is flesh, and that flesh will tempt that fish. Like that, this sense organs will be tempted by sense objects because of sukha. We see, we project happiness in that. Dekhe indriya kama ase, this indriya have desires. Why? Sukha durashe, because of happiness, because of hope of getting happiness from those sense organs. So we just see happiness around. We don't see sorrow inside. Just like a fish sees only flesh, not that hook which is inside. Like that, our plight is. परी तया माझी गळू आहे जो प्राणा ते घेऊन जाये तो जैसा ठाऊआ नो हे झाकलेपणे परी तया माझी गळू आहे तो प्राणा ते घेऊन जाये तो ठाऊआ नो हे झाकलेपणे परी बट तया माझी गळू आहे बट under that or beneath of that flesh गळू आहे, there is hook. तो प्राणा ते घेऊन जाये, that hook is going to take away your life. तो जैसा ठवा नोए झाकलेपणे, that hook is not known to that fish. Why? झाकलेपणे, because it is concealed. That hook is concealed by that flesh. That is why ठवा नोहे, and life will be taken away by that hook. Then तैसे अभिलाषे येणे किजेल जरी विषयांची आशा धरिजेल तरी वरपडा होईजेल क्रोधा नळा तैसे अभिलाषे येणे किजेल जरी विषयांची आशा धरिजेल तरी वरपडा होईल क्रोधा नळा. Just like fish has temptation towards that flesh, in that way taise abhilashe yene kijel, then that same plight will be ours only. When jari vishayanchi asha dharizel, if we have the sense notion of happiness from objects, then this is bound to happen. What will happen? तरे वरपडा होईल क्रोधा नळा, there will be fire which is anger. So when you get something, you are happy, more desires. When you don't get something, anger. And that anger is like fire, that anger will burn you. तरी वरपडा होईजेल क्रोधा नळा, अनळ means fire. Krodha is the fire. Varpada hoil. It will be very difficult for you if you have love, abhilasha towards the sense objects. जैसा कवळोनिया पारधी घातेची संधी आणि मृगाते बुद्धे साधावया जैसा कवळोनी पारधी घातेची संधी आणि मृगाते बुद्धि साधावया. Naraswar Maharaj gives example, just like there is a hunter, and that hunter you know, plots in a such a way that that deer comes near to him. So in one place there will be dog, in one place he will have that snare, in one place he will be standing, on another place his friend will be standing. So there will be a proper plot. He will be enveloped by all these things, and finally the deer will give up. जैसा कवळोनिया पारधी, he comes and he tempts. घातेची संधी, and he tried to kill that. आणि मृगाते बुद्धी साधावया, and that deer has no clue now. You know, it is said that uh, the the hunter plots everything, and then what happens? Uh, he plots everything, and then he play flute, and that sound of that flute is so much, soothing and melodious that deer doesn't move, and he comes and try to kills him. Then deer says that no problem, you kill me, but that flute should not stop. You can kill me, no problem. That much, temptation, fascination is there for that word. So ear and words sense objects and sense organs, so it will catch you just like a hunter catches deer. एथ तैसीची परी आहे, म्हणून संगुहा तुझ नोहे. पार्था दोन्ही क्राम क्रोध हे, घातकू जाणे. एथ तैसीची परी आहे, म्हणून संगुहा तुझ नोहे. पार्था दोन्ही काम क्रोध हे, घातूक जाणे. Therefore, just like deer is trapped and killed by that hunter, like that we are also trapped and killed by sense objects. Taisichi pari ahe, here also the same thing is here. Pari means prakara. Manoni sanguha tuja nohe. Therefore, you should not have any attachment. Partha doni kama krodha he ghatu kazane. Therefore, this kama and krodha, likes, dislikes, kama, krodha, raga, dvesha, these are, killer. They will kill us, and they are inner killers. They are not sitting outside with sword. They'll kill us. What should we do? Therefore, Bhagavan says, म्हणून हा आश्रोची न करावा, मनीही आठवून धरावा. एकूण निज वृत्तीचा ओलावा नासो नेदी. म्हणून हा आश्रोचिन करावा, मनीही आठवून धरावा. एकूण निज वृत्तीचा ओलावा नासो नेदी. म्हणून, because you will be trapped by your sense organ. Therefore what? Ashrochina karava. You should not be taking support of your sense organ for happiness. You don't take support of them. Then should we think about them in mind or not? मणिही आठवून धरावा. You should not think about them. मणिही आठवो, you should not remember them. एकूण निजवृत्तीचा ओलावा, and your own duty, निजवृत्ती, निज धर्म, ओलावा नासो नेदी. You should not give up your dharma for sense organs, for sense objects. Like that, Bhagavan says wonderful things. So we should not take support of sense object for happiness. We should not think about them also, and we should have, love towards our dharma, and that love should not be naso nedi. That love should not be, mm, you know, love should not deteriorate. Love should not decay for our dharma because of sense organ. That's how Bhagwan says. Now we will sing one bhajan. Hmm. हम्म, 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 हम्म. आशाबद्ध जन काय जाणे नारायण, काय जाणे नारायण, काय जाणे नारायण. करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, पाहि आवडीचा हेवा, पाहि आवडीचा हेवा, पाहि आवडीचा हेवा. भ्रमले चाळवे, तैसे उचितन कळे, तैसे उचितन कळे, तैसे उचितन कळे. करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, पाहे आवडीचा हेवा, पाहे आवडीचा हेवा, पाहे आवडीचा हेवा. तुका म्हणे, तुका म्हणे विषे, तुका म्हणे, तुका म्हणे विषे, तुका म्हणे विषे अन्न नाशी येले जैसे. तुका म्हणे विषे अन्न नाशी येले जैसे. तुका म्हणे विषे अन्न नाशिले जैसे. तुका म्हणे विषे अन्न नाशिले जैसे. अन्न नाशिले जैसे. करी करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, पाहे आवडीचा हेवा. 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 आवडीचा पाहे हेवा. करी इंद्रियांची सेवा, करी इंद्रियांची सेवा. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, देव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, देव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, देव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम. तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम, पुंडलिक वरदा हरे विठ्ठल. श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. हरिः ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम.